What's up, guys? So we're gonna start on the 65 today, and like I said in the last video, we're gonna tear it down and we're gonna redo everything and kind of just get it ready for racing. The plan to race this year, we'll probably do some hair scramble stuff, which is just a good mix-up of things, and then we'll do some motocross, some outdoor stuff, and just make some fun events. You know, maybe do a little more traveling and stuff like that, just to break up the monotonous of just the normal week in and week out type of things, you know, because I've been doing it for long and little guy's been doing it, so we'll see what happens. But this is 65. We're gonna start tearing it down, and yeah, so we're gonna make sure the fuel's off, we'll take the tank off, we'll drain the coolant out of it, and then from there we will start taking it apart. All right?
It's off.
Okay, so we're gonna drain the coolant, and I'll show you guys kind of, if you're new to the 65s, this is 2019. So there is a little, it's an 8mm bolt right here. It's gonna have also a crush washer on it, okay? And you can see it's starting to drip already. So loosen that up, get yourself a pan or whatever, you know, it don't really matter. I'm gonna move this stand out of the way quick here and shoot the camera at the same time. So I'm gonna pull that out. That bolt I loosened. Put this guy, so how that got off there. Okay. So I loosen that. Washer right there. So at first it's gonna kind of spray out like they always do, and then you get a little bit of drip, and then you don't get nothing. Okay, and at this point, that's when you need to open up the radiator cap. So then once you open it and release that pressure, that's when the coolant's gonna start coming out. Now when you do that, this is your up here, your radiator cap. You're gonna loosen that. You gotta remember that all that pressure is gonna come down, and it's gonna flow into that where your bucket's at. So let me hold on here. Well, lefty, so I ain't got much strength in the hand here. So at first it's gonna really come out with that pressure once you start loosening up that cap. And I just cracked it, so like I said, it don't take much. So I normally let it kind of drain out and then get closer There's no reason to go crazy right away. And then I kind of tip the bike over. That way. I'll move my pan. And then that way, you got your coolant drain. so that was we tore down the 65. We got it down to everything. Took all the pieces and parts apart. So we're gonna get everything cleaned up. Next episode, we're gonna work on the motor. So we're gonna clean that up. I got a few hop-up things that we're gonna add to it. Make sure everything is good. And then we're gonna start working on the other pieces of the bike. But for the next episode, we're gonna do something with the motor. Hit that like button, subscribe. And yeah, if you got any questions, let us know. If you got builds going on, let us know as well. We like to see that stuff. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it dearly. And yeah, have a good night.